Okay, I'm going to delete this one and run it. There should be nothing right now. So variable in Python is a variable is memory location where a program can store a variable. In Python syntax must start with the letter A to Z, lower or capital letters, and or underscore. You can use it underscore. You should not use the reserved word. The length doesn't make any sense. You can use as many length that you want. For sure has make sense that you try to use it a meaningful name for that. And usually I use camel case. Let me show for you. For example, if I want to use the right now, I said bank account 1000 bank variable. Then I can use it print, and I copy. This is variable. Just I want to make sure here it is. Now, if I just have the same thing here, but want to call, let's see what will happen. Well, what I try said in Python, this is one variable, this is another variable. And if again I do that, let me copy the bank account here and copy here. And if I use again as a lowercase here, this is another one variable. So these three variables or three location, they are three different variables. So if you make a mistake, and if I don't know, if I don't put just T here and say account and put here, and if I run it, it's not going to work. It give me, let first we run it correctly, and then right now if I do it, just put 1000. But assume that if I take this one and run it, it give me the error message because it doesn't recognize this one. So we have to make sure, or if I take that underscore, this is different variable. Again, give me same, doesn't print, doesn't recognize it here. It's not defined. Bank account is not defined. So variable is memory location that we are using and should be all of the time same thing that you name it right there. If you just miss a letter or something, this is going to be different variable.